Finally, I have landed in Phuket, Thailand. And from the airport, I decided to take the Phuket Smart Bus. It was 100 baht, which is roughly $2.86. And as soon as I got in, I went to my Airbnb and then immediately headed to Patong Beach. And the water on my feet felt so amazing, and the sun on my skin was just so nice. I'm just taking in all the surroundings around me, all the palm trees, all the green. I was definitely feeling hungry, so of course the next stop is looking for food. In the Patong Beach area, there are many options for restaurants. Just find one that you're in the mood for. I decided to go to 99 Seafood, got some raw oysters and also an order of rice along with my seafood glass noodles, and of course I got some other fried oysters. And next we were off to Bangla Road. Bangla Road is right across the street from Patong Beach. It has a very lively nightlife with many different clubs and bars and live music. Sitting down at a spot that has live music is always one of my top things to do. At the end of the night, I finished at McDonald's. Whenever I visit a country, I always like to check out the menu to see what different items they have.